Hello guys, we are at Bandar Abbas International Airport in Iran and we are going to Hormuz Island. Today I will do a very close view of review of the Hormuz Island, and we will see the Hormuz Island from very close near to the ground. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I am in the air now, navigating towards Hormuz Island. That is the Hormuz Island.
Cessna 110, continue for south departure.
Tower, Cessna Sierra Hotel 110, continue for south departure.
You can see some instructions here. Okay.
Cessna 110, leaving my airspace, frequency change approved.
Tower, Cessna Sierra Hotel 110, frequency change.
We are at 9 980 feet of altitude. You can see there is a low fuel warning as well. And oh, okay. Well, we are going to view it from the near. This island also called as Rainbow Island. You can see the area. There are some population there. The color is its uniqueness. We will see this island from very near today. I am reducing the altitude. You can see there are populations there. There are a lot of buildings here.
Tehran Center,
This is
Cessna Sierra
the
Hotel 110 is
smooth
type
area,
Cessna
I think.
Skyhawk,
Level
8 miles southeast of
terrain.
Bandar Abbas 900. Request flight following.
Cessna Sierra
Let's
Hotel 110,
do the
Tehran
closer.
Center. Squawk 0 tree 2.
You can see the population
Squawk
here.
0 Tree 2, Cessna 110.
There are homes, I think.
Cessna 110, radar contact 9 miles southeast of Bandar Abbas 300, QNH 1014.
You can see the mountains there,
Roger, Cessna
red in color.
110.
This is the plain area where we can land easily. Let's do the round over the Hormuz Island. Okay, I need to gain some altitude, otherwise it will collide. You can see that. When we are going into the center, the color is being dark, and outward the color is more towards orange. You can see. There is a road as well there. It is going from, I think, to the inside of to the mountain, and you can see from where it is coming. We can follow this route. Is it a road or is it most probably the road? So you can see it is going outside there and there. This is also a plain area. There are some poles there. What are the purpose of these poles? Oh, what happened? I think the fuel is... What happened to it? Okay. I have to land it, otherwise it will crash. Fuel is no, there is no fuel in the...
Stall. Stall.
Okay. Okay.
Stall.
Yeah, there was low fuel. So what to do now? Okay, let's go out from the plane and check what is there for us. This is our plane. We are at Hormuz Island, and you can see there is no fuel in our plane. This is my call sign, SH110. This is the rudder, elevator. I think these are nav antennas. And these are the flaps, ailerons. This is a single propeller plane. You can see one propeller is there, and this is the engine you can see there. So we don't have anything. We have only this plane here that has no fuel. Now let's enjoy it. Enjoy here. You can see this is the beach. There are some grass. Okay, we cannot do anything. I hope you like this session. We will do the close-up flight later. For now, we cannot do anything. That is our plane. I hope you like this session. If you have any comment, you can post it on this video, and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.